Okay, so before I announce the winner, I want to recognize the 5 teams that came here to San Francisco with us in this conference that sat through many of your panel sessions, they had to brief their proposal to us. We heard their proposals. There were questions asked of them by experts, not me, experts. And they had to answer those. They worked as a team to present their results. We had a team from New York. They were proposing a study of the way plant roots grow in microgravity. We had a team from California and Delaware, again, a joint team across the country, develop an experiment to examine the buildup of dental plaque in humans in space, or on teeth in space. We had another team from New York that proposed a study of bacteria that could transform itself into a more hospitable and less critical bacteria. How you take that, because as bacteria form together, they can be more dangerous to the humans. And so we study that. We had a team from Texas proposing how bacteria communicates with each others that allow it to grow into be a more harmful bacteria. We had a team from Minnesota propose how cells can repair their DNA in microgravity. Great, all of them, great proposals, all about human spaceflight enhancements of our crews that are going out into deeper space in the future and staying longer in space. So let's have a round of applause for all 5 teams. Okay, now it's my honor and privilege to announce this year's winner, the 2018 Genes of Space winner. I'd like to have the team from Minnesota on the cells repair for their DNA damage, David Lee, Michelle Sung, Aarthi Vijayakumar, and Rebecca Lee come up the stage. And Rebecca Lee was not able to travel with the team, but their team's representing her nicely. Thank you. More photos.
Really wonderful job.
Thanks.